Do you want to find a scholarship to study in Australia? Are you an international student, an overseas student, or a study abroad student? Did you know there are 5 major types of scholarship programs in Australia, and 3 of them are offered by the Australian government? Most international students have to pay full, but some can get scholarships. I want to show you how. My name is Artie McDowell from ontoaustralia.com. I help international students like you to study in Australia and to graduate and to do it in an easy way. In this video, you will learn this simple trick of how to find the best scholarships in Australia for international students. This is the single most important thing you will need to know if you want financial assistance with your studies. It is the easiest way to find grants, scholarships, and bursaries. No more guessing where to apply, just use this method. Even beginners can use this method to find the best major scholarship programs. Okay, this is where you need to start. This is the studyinaustralia.gov.au website. You will find the link down below in the notes. You need to go to Australian Education and then click on Scholarships. That brings up the scholarship page. Here you will see all of the different types of scholarships listed. The first is Australia Awards. They are offered by the Australian government. They offer nearly 2,000 scholarships and short courses for international students from 50 developing countries, and they have a total budget of $280 million. You will find the link below in the notes. The second type is called Destination Australia. It's also offered by the Australian government, and it is for students that want to study in regional Australia, so that means outside of the capital cities. This program offers over 1,000 scholarships. You will find the link below in the notes. Number 3 is the Australian Government Research Training Program. It is for postgraduate students, and you can apply for this through your university. Check out the link below in the notes. Number 4 is the Australia APEC Women in Research Fellowship. It is for high-achieving female researchers and students from APEC countries. They want to support women's economic empowerment and raise the profile of female role models in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. You can check out the link below in the notes. The last type is provider scholarships. These are the scholarships provided by the schools and the universities. They are based on academic merit, so you have to have good grades. You need to apply through your school and talk to them to get more information. Now I want to show you the best way to search for these scholarships. You will do this from the studyinaustralia.gov.au website. From the scholarships page, you need to scroll down until you find this section that says who can apply for a scholarship, and it says find out what scholarships you are eligible for. Click on that. It will bring up the search page. You can see scholarships is selected. Type in the type of scholarship you are interested in. For example, we will type in nursing, and then select your location, the location you are interested in. So we will choose New South Wales, and the field of education we will choose nursing, and then hit filter. Now you can see it redirects you to a third-party website. It's called Studies in Australia. You can see we are filtering by nursing and New South Wales. There's only one nursing scholarship in New South Wales, this with the Charles Sturt University. And from here you can click on the More Details button to get more information and apply. We hope this video has made it easy for you to find your scholarships and to decide if you want to study in Australia. If you have any questions, please leave a question below in the comments. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And you can also check out our website at ontoaustralia.com. And I wish you all the best with your studies in Australia. Until we meet again, bye.